this, what is this? The wicks. So these are the good types of wicks. These ones that I'm going to use. But, oh my gosh, they are short. They are short. Maybe I'm just gonna use this for tea light. I think I didn't check the... this is the soy wax. Yeah, finally white. The one that I have is beeswax and it's so yellow. Lastly is the essential oil. So the good thing about this is you can also use this one for your diffuser, not just for candle making. So I have, this is in 55 ml. That's a lot already. I have the vanilla caramel, and I also have the Japanese honeysuckle and jasmine, and the pumpkin and pecan pie. So I'm personally loving pecan nuts, so that's why I tried this one. Wow, got a wick. So I have several pieces of wooden wick. So it's the S-Flame wooden wick. So there's like a wooden wick that is just straight. This one has like an S form and it's wider. Yay. 40% of Amazon or only for, I'm not sure, only for Fire Stick. Oopsie. And these are the laps. So I still need to figure out how to use this one. So here are my materials. I'm going to do candle in the mug. So I have here some decorative mugs that I got. So I'm going to use this one for candles. This is from the Chocolate Factory. So this one is quite thick. So this should be good. And then this little one here. And then this from Kmart. From Kmart, hopefully this is going to withstand the heat because this is quite thin. So we'll just see. And then I have here the soy wax. So I'm used with the one that has been grated already. This one is in block, so I will have to slice this one. And then the wick, this one I made a mistake. This is too short. So good thing I'm just going to use this for the little mug here. I also have some like this, a mini glass candle holder. So this will do for this wick. So I'm still able to use that wick. And then this is what I'm going to use for the bigger ones, the wood stick. This is the S-Flame, S design, because there is one that is just plain and this one is like S and it's wider. So hopefully it's going to work, or this might be too wide. But we'll see. It's my first time to use this one, so not sure how yet. So and then I have here the essential oils. This one are just for decorations. This is the lavender leaves that I got from our front yard, and some candies to sprinkles, and that's it. So time for me to cut this 1 kilogram block of soy wax. So I'm not sure yet how much do I need for each cup. So I'm just gonna do some estimate, and maybe I'm just gonna keep adding if ever I need more. I have 2 blocks first, then I'm going to melt it here. So while the wax is melting, I'm going to start sticking the wick into the mugs with this wick stickers that I got. So these wick stickers, I got this one from candle making kit that I bought long time ago. If you don't have this, I think you can use some strong glue, or some people they are using glue guns. So now for this wooden wick, okay, so this is the stand or the holder of it. So I believe you are going to put it in here, stick it in here. I'm not sure how to open this one. Okay, there, easy. So there, and you just have to stick it So I'll do the same thing with the other wick. So with this one, I'm going to use it here. There. For this one, it is not as wide as this, so I might try cutting it, this one here, to make it a bit thinner.